फातिमा और आप हैं व्हाट्सएप टीवी के साथ। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं हमारे पहले सेगमेंट की। आपकी फिटनेस को ध्यान में रखते हुए आज मैं सबसे पहले आपको ले चलूंगी जिम। पर जिम मैं और आप अकेले नहीं जाएंगे, हमारे साथ जिम में होंगे प्यार की एक कहानी के जय यानी कि ऋत्विक, और साथ ही में ऋत्विक बताएंगे अपनी फिटनेस का राज।
Hola guys, this is Ritwik Dhanjani, your new Jay Khurana from Pyar Ki Ek Kahani, and today we're going to see how I work out. Well, I normally don't really work out that much, say about 4 days a week I do manage after the shoots. So here we go, I'm going to show you what we normally do. I will work out on my chest, shoulder and the triceps for today. So following the workout, here we go. So here's my gym and we're going to start off with the treadmill. So at least about 5 minutes of treadmill walking so that you can warm up, and then a few stretches. Wait, that's my trainer Sunny. He's going to be helping me through the workout and keep a watch. We're going to move on to pull-ups. So you're going to follow me and see the pull-ups right here. So we do about say 10 or 15 of them, 3 sets each. We'll have to stop this. Enough. Hola guys, so here we go. We're going to work out on our chest, shoulders and the biceps today. And what I normally start with is a flat bench. So either on a machine flat or you go a normal flat. Normal flat is where you don't have support of the machines. Right now I don't have the support of the machines, so we're going to go flat. About 30 kgs. So we're done with the flat bench, and you do normally about 3 sets each. Say either you increase the weight or up constant weight pe ja sakte hain. I normally do increase the weight. I go 30, 35, 40 or 35, 40, 45. You can enjoy this. Awesome workout. Move on to the next. So we move on to the next exercise of the chest, that's the incline or flat. Then the flat is for the the lower, the whole abdomen, whole chest basically. The flat bench is basically for the chest muscle here. Incline is specifically for the upper muscle, upper of the chest. So guys, moving on to the next exercise for my workout plan for today is going to be the third exercise for my chest. We've already done the flat bench, we've already done the incline press. Now we're going to go on to flies on the machine. It's not flies, it's flies on the machine. I know I don't get much time, but I still manage to run to the gym after my shoots. 4 days a week is what I do. And apart from that, on the sets, if you come, you see me dancing all the time. So we're moving on with the workout, and now we're going to go on to shoulders. Does it look good? Thanks. So we're going to move on to shoulder, and we do normally 3 exercises for chest. We've already done 3, and now we're going to move on to shoulders. So we're going to work out on shoulders. Then we're finally going to go on to triceps. So guys, we do 3 sets of the same thing. Alright guys, so the next one for the shoulder is going to be called the lateral raise. That moves sideways with a weight not too heavy enough. It's about 15 or 20, whichever is capable, because we've already worked out on the chest. My sir says we've already worked out on one of the parts, so we need to go easier on the other one. So this is how it goes. So here we go on with the next exercise of the shoulder, and this is called a clean press. I didn't know the name, he told me. I just do it. So this requires you to become a murga for a while. So there you go, like this. Instead of going here, you come here. Let's follow. Okay guys, so now we move on to the triceps bit of it. We're already done with the chest, shoulders, so 3 for the chest, 3 for the shoulders. This is a nominal workout, this is a regular workout. If in case you want to go intense, you can increase the number of exercises. If you want, you can increase on the chest or on the shoulders. So now we're going to go on to the triceps. The triceps we're going to have at least 3. We're going to try to have 3. because normally it's not possible after a workout of these two parts of the body. You kind of go light on the third one. It's a smaller bit. So now we're going to go on to the triceps, and that's going to be about 2 exercises. So we're going to follow with the dumbbell push. The first exercise in the triceps bit is called the dumbbell extension. Here we go. Okay guys, so moving on to the next exercises for triceps. It's called triceps dips. Just to increase the intensity of the workout, or to make it a little bit more difficult, you add weight on your legs right here, and you go back into the same position. Alright, so moving on, buddy. This is the last exercise for the triceps. That's called the tricep push down. And I don't feel like doing this because I like the music. No, but still, we have to finish the workout, so we're going to go on to the last exercises. Here, you just keep it light and you go as many reps as possible because it is the final workout for your triceps. If you have a kickboxing set in your gym, totally make use of it because it's one of the best exercises to burn. One of the best ways to burn calories. And if in case you don't feel like working out one of the days where you don't feel like going on weights, what you can normally do is you can just kickbox, go for a little bit of running, jogging, or step up. You can cross jog. So many things basically if you don't want to go on to weights.
Oh my god, being an actor, बहुत ज़्यादा. Fitness is the prime importance for me. I try to follow at least 4 meals a day, which is not technically possible, to be very honest. Nobody does it. It's very difficult to follow those 4 meals, and people do it, but I don't. Because of my shoots, I can't do it. So yeah, that's more or less. I keep a track of I'm not eating, or I don't eat. I'm off rice for past 2.5 years. I was quite fat. I will not want to tell you guys how fat I was, but I was really fat. I really liked Aamir Khan for Ghajini because I can't believe how he did that transformation. I had never taken protein supplements for about when I was losing weight because मुझे डरा दिया गया था कि प्रोटीन से bulk up हो जाता है, भालू बन जाओगे तुम. So I was like, नहीं बनना भालू. So I didn't take it. But it up to a certain level, it is important for fitness. Most fittest celebrity in Bollywood, female, obviously Bipasha Basu. There has to be no one else. Shilpa Shetty also up to a certain extent, but Bipasha has been to the T. In guys, I would want to say John is awesome. He's always been fit. He's always been the best. And apart from John, I really like Akshay.
इस हफ्ते था आपकी हिना खान यानी कि ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है कि अक्षरा का जन्मदिन. हमने उनका जन्मदिन सेलिब्रेट किया और साथ ही में आपका भेजा हुआ गिफ्ट भी उन तक पहुंचाया.
मेरा बर्थडे है और मैंने अपना पहला केक इंडिया फोरम्स के साथ काटा है इस साल का. सो आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू देम. एक मेरे फ़ैन ने बहुत प्यारा सा गिफ्ट भेजा है जो कि मैंने अभी खोला नहीं है. अभी मैं उसे खोलती हूँ. हाय इंडिया फोरम्स, दिस गिफ्ट इज़ फॉर हिना खान. अक्षरा, थैंक यू. किंजल, थैंक यू सो मच. जब आपके बर्थडे पे स्पेशली आपको गिफ्ट्स मिल रहे हो तो यू फील वेरी वेरी हैप्पी एंड एक्साइटेड कि क्या है क्या है क्या है. वाओ, देयर इज अ हार्ट. It's a small bunny. This is so cute. Thank you so much, Kinjal. This is really sweet of you. मुझे soft toys बहुत पसंद हैं. How sweet, how sweet. What? I don't know. I have no words now. इनको कंपनी मिल गई है एक और से. किंजल ने बहुत मेहनत की है लगता है. This is for mobile phones. Oh wow, this is very nice. Evil's Eye. चलिए, आपने मुझे बुरी नज़र से भी बचा लिया. अभी मुझे नज़र भी नहीं लगेगी. सो आई हैव दिस फ्रॉम किंजल. आई हैव दिस. आई हैव दिस. आई हैव दिस. ओके, देयर इज अ लेटर. आई प्रॉमिस टू वॉच योर शो एंड बी योर फैन फॉर एवर. देखिए, मुझे गणपति बाप्पा भी मिले हैं. बेसिकली ये हमारी जो टीम है उन्हें मिला है. थैंक्स सर फॉर ऑल द हेल्प. That means this goes to our director. To the whole Ye Rishta team with love, a big fan, Kinjal. There's Kaju Katli in this from Kinjal. थैंक यू वेरी मच किंजल। थैंक यू किंजल, आपकी स्वीट्स भी मुझे मिल गई। ये सारी चीज़ें मैं राम पांडे जी को दूंगी और ये मैं रिश्ता की पूरी टीम को खिलाऊंगी। थैंक यू किंजल, थैंक यू वेरी 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 मच। दिस इज़ फॉर यू। मैंने इंडिया फोरम्स के साथ साल का पहला केक काटा है एंड किंजल के गिफ्ट्स मेरे लिए सबसे पहले गिफ्ट्स हैं। तो थैंक यू किंजल फॉर मेकिंग माई बर्थडे सो स्पेशल। एंड ये सॉफ्ट टॉयज़ जैसे कि मेरे बाकी सॉफ्ट टॉयज़ इस रूम में हैं, इनके साथ रहेंगे और सब मिलके ढेर सारी मस्ती करेंगे। मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली शूट हाफ डे तो मैं शूट करती हूँ, उसके बाद मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, अपनी फैमिली के साथ बर्थडे केक काटती हूँ। केक्स ही कटते रहते हैं बर्थडे पे, तो गिफ्ट्स मिलते रहते हैं। दैट्स इट, आई टेक माई फैमिली आउट फॉर डिनर।
नवरात्रि के इस खास मौके पर हमने सोचा देखते हैं किस टीवी सेलिब्रिटी को पूजा पाठ का बेहद शौक है। आप यकीन भी नहीं करेंगे, आपके शांतनु यानी कि करण टेकर ने सजाई खूबसूरत पूजा की थाली। आज के लिए बस इतना ही। आपको हमारा ये एपिसोड कैसा लगा, इसके फीडबैक्स एंड कमेंट्स देना मत भूलेगा at whatsapptv@india-forums.com पर। तब तक आप भी नवरात्रि एंजॉय करिए। टेक केयर एंड गुड बाय।
मैं जल्दी वापस आऊंगा। जोरों शोरों